by neural transmission by acting on receptors in the nervous system. The toxins contained in venoms vary considerably with the species of venomous animal and its diet, but they all have common properties that can be summarized as poison delivery systems. Venoms are powerful biochemicals that can inflict damage on humans if they are injected into skin or mucous membranes. For example, cobra venom contains an alkaloid called cobrapine that causes paralysis in humans if injected into the bloodstream. The LD50 for cobrapine is about 2 mg per kilogram. The amount of venom delivered by one bite depends on the size of the animal and its fangs, but most venomous animals inject less than 1 mg/mg. A person could survive having as little as 0.01 mg injected into them. For comparison, an average human has about 1 to 2 mg of blood in their body at any time.